I'm Susan. Today I'm trying a new bread and it's an onion cheesy bread. It sounds good, it's really simple, and I hope you'll like it. So I hope everybody's doing great today, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 1½ cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of instant minced onion, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 egg beaten, 3/4 cup of shredded cheese. It calls for sharp, but I'm using Colby Jack, that's what I have, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to combine your milk and your onion. It's set in a small mixing bowl, but I just used my measuring cup. Mix it well and let it stand for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, you want to combine your flour, baking powder, salt, and pepper in a large mixing bowl. Now you want to add your egg, your cheese, your melted butter, and your milk mixture, and stir it only long enough till it's moistened. Now you want to spread your batter evenly into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking pan or dish. And you want to bake it for 45 minutes or until lightly browned. It only took about 35 minutes for me. And here it is. It was kind of like a cross between a biscuit and a hush puppy. You didn't have that cornmeal, but you had that onion flavor. But the texture was more like a biscuit. And it wasn't bad. It was really good with butter. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.